next generation standard for wireless connectivity, which provides more reliable cellular connection with faster speeds, lower latency, and higher capacities. 5G has the potential to change the way devices connect with one another and to the internet. These services are expected to begin by March of 2020. Over the years, there has been a significant evolution of mobile networks. In 1979 and the early 80s, 1G allowed people to communicate through wireless phone calls. 2G was introduced in the early 1990s, and it allowed users to use SMS text messaging as a form of communication, which then evolved to picture and MMS messaging. In the early 2000s, 3G allowed device users internet access on their mobile phones, and it also provided storage on their devices. Around 2008, 4G LTE improved the previous network by making it faster and also added video chat. 5G is set to provide even faster services by 20 gigabytes faster with more storage capacity. 5G is so fast because it uses a mix of shorter waves and higher frequencies, which will require more transmitters and towers than the previous generations of networks. 4G LTE allows devices to reach 10 kilometers without losing signal, where 5G can only reach 300 meters and has higher possibilities of bad weather or thick walls affecting the connection between devices. 4G LTE also allows 1 million devices in 500 square kilometers, where 5G can support the same amount of devices in only 1 square kilometer. 5G also has the potential to reduce the use of phone batteries because less power is required to transmit data to the nearby transmitters. 5G will not only improve smartphone performance, but it'll also help advance our society as a whole. 5G can successfully provide a network connection that supports the performance of self-driving cars. With the help of 5G, autonomous vehicles can instantly communicate with one another by transferring data from car to car and to other devices. The 5G network easily allows vehicles to connect from vehicle to everything, vehicle to vehicle, vehicle to infrastructure, and vehicle to network. 5G's connections provides the self-driving vehicles with fast responsiveness and reaction time. Human reaction time is nearly 200 milliseconds, where 5G's reaction time is only 1 millisecond and ensures safe and reliable emergency braking and steering from the cars. A network of self-driving cars communicating and reacting in real time can even reduce the number of car accidents and traffic in crowded cities. 5G's fast network can even help improve the healthcare industry by providing patients with easier access to medical experts and healthcare. 5G devices can allow doctors to monitor a patient's health conditions from home, making home healthcare more ideal for patients. This new network can make it easier to prescribe medication and translate languages to provide the best health services. The fast speed and low delays of 5G can even allow medical professionals to control remote surgeries operated by robots. 5G allows better and more reliable connection, which can also open the doors to new opportunities in many industries which civilization relies on. I believe that 5G has the potential to revolutionize human communication, and it has shown the most significant improvement from the past generations of cellular connectivity. Not only will 5G change the way we communicate, but it'll also change the way people live and how our society operates.